Once in a great while, a change happens that sends ripples through an entire industry. A fundamental shift where, if you were to take advantage of the opportunity, could change the way your business operates, could change the mindset of how you approach your business. In the 16 years ServiceMonster has been helping service businesses grow, we've certainly had our fair share of ripples. In 2018, ServiceMonster processed $500 million in invoices. So I dare say our ripples have turned into waves. In 2003, we revolutionized the industry by offering one of the very first online platforms available. In 2007, we did it again by fully automating your direct mail and client retention programs. A few years ago, we released the fourth rebuild of our flagship product, ServiceMonster 6, the most powerful platform available and remains light years ahead of our competition to this day. And on August 15th, 5:00 p.m. Pacific, we do it again. This time, our focus has been simplification, trying to figure out how to take the most advanced, highly configurable, and feature-rich platform that is ServiceMonster and make it easy for you guys to simply run your business. So if that's something you're interested in, feel free to click the link below. Don't wait. We only have 250 seats available. And we're going to be talking about a handful of features we've been working on over the last few years, actually, to help simplify things. We'll be introducing two new products, Core and our new ServiceMonster app. Brand new, brand spanking new. We cannot wait to get this to you guys. So again, click the link below, go register. If you've ever wondered how ServiceMonster can help your business, or if you've wondered what we've been up to these last year and a half or so, come check it out. I look forward to seeing you.